Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows hepatic masses, multiple hepatic masses. You can see a large mass is seen in the upper portion of the right lobe of the liver, and you will see later on multiple masses in the lower portion of the liver. The masses are seen in the left and right both lobes of the liver. Hepatic tumors are a diverse group of masses that include malignant and benign subtypes. Their presentation may vary from localizing sign symptoms such as jaundice and right upper quadrant pain to vague signs and symptoms such as fatigue, weight loss, and anorexia. Many hepatic tumors are discovered incidentally on medical imaging studies. Moreover, the liver is a common site of metastasis, and metastases to the liver are significantly more common than primary liver tumors. You can see the another mass is seen in the lower portion of the left lobe of the liver. Both masses are seen. The incidence of primary liver cancer is steadily increasing worldwide. Unlike most other causes of liver disease, it is treatable and prognosis is excellent provided that it is diagnosed before irreversible damage has occurred. The most common cause of cirrhosis are hepatitis and other viruses, alcohol abuse, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This happens from metabolic syndrome and is called by conditions such as is caused by such conditions such as obesity, high cholesterol and triglyceride, and high blood pressure. Hepatitis and cirrhosis of the liver may cause hepatic mass. Most benign liver tumors do not cause symptoms and are found incidentally on abdominal imaging studies such as an ultrasound, CT scan, or MRI. It is important that benign tumors are not misdiagnosed. Your doctor may choose to follow the tumor with imaging studies to ensure that they have been diagnosed correctly. Now you can see other small masses in the different portions of the hepatic parenchyma. Liver mass symptoms are the symptoms may include abdominal pain, weight loss, nausea, vomiting. Large mass can be felt in the upper right part of the abdomen, fever, jaundice, yellowing of skin and eyes, persistent itching. Now again you can see multiple masses. The masses are seen in the lower portion of the right and left lobes of the liver, as well as in the upper portion of the both lobes. Globally, liver cancer is the third leading cause of cancer death after cancer of lung and stomach. The highest incidence of hepatocellular carcinoma HCC is in China, represents about 50% of HCC cases worldwide, with most of the cases associated with hepatitis B virus HBV infection. Cholangiocarcinoma also has a disproportionate geographical distribution, with Thailand having the highest global rates due to the presence of liver flukes. Now you can see the multiple masses. Accurate characterization of liver mass may be cross-sectional imaging is liver disease with cirrhosis, portal hypertension, and hypersplenism. Focal fat is also hypertension echoic to the normal liver parenchyma on ultrasound. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.